Hey, let me show you all gestures, motions and the button shortcuts on the POCO M6 Pro. And first we are going to start from the gestures. So you can actually find all of them when you navigate into the additional settings and go for the gesture shortcuts. And first of all, we've got the Google Assistant on the power button. So when you press and hold the power button for a half of a second, we will actually launch the Google Assistant. For sure, you can turn it off by clicking on the switcher. Next, we've got the take screenshot. So we can swipe down with the three fingers to take the screenshot, but also we can use this combination of the power button and the volume down button. So when we click them together, just like this, we have to click them at the same time and the screenshot will be taken. Here we can find the partial screenshot. So when we press and hold with the three fingers at the one place, we can actually draw something on the screen and take the partial screenshot. So let's go back, and here we can also launch the camera by double pressing the power button when the screen is locked. So I have to lock the screen, double tap the volume down button. It doesn't work for some reason, so let's check if it is actually turned on. Okay, as you can see, it's actually turned off. So what we have to do is just to turn it on, and we've got double press the power button from the normal unlocked screen, but from the lock screen we've got the volume down button shortcut. Okay, still it doesn't work. Double press volume down when the screen is locked. So let's do this one more time. Okay, for some reason this gesture is actually not working properly. That's strange. And we can also double press on the power button to turn on the flashlight. So we click on it 2 times and the flashlight is turned on. Next, we can go into the button shortcuts. We can actually find them in the home screen, system navigation, and go into the button shortcuts. And here we can long press the home button and pick some shortcuts. So it looks like this. Next, we can find the same for the long press the menu button. So that's the menu button actually. We got long press the back button. We can turn off the screen. We got combination with the power button and the home button, power button and the menu button, power button and the back button, and only menu button. And so we will actually launch recents. And that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.